Okay, thank you.
We have a whole new system on how to have that.
All right, thank you.
Jim.
All right, thank you. No, he's on bond. Oh, sorry, no, he's not. He's in custody. Right there with his hand raised. Thank you. Juan Cuellar.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. What's happening?
On this one, Judge, we were here for discovery and
Yeah, GPS tracking.
yes, we did get the subpoena issued, sir. The custodian records is here. He's unable to turn the documentation over to myself or the prosecutor, so we're hoping he can turn it over to the court. So that,
Okay.
the information is at least available.
Oh, come forward.
And so if we could do that, that would be a huge help, Your Honor. And then I think the state needs a little bit of time to take a look at those records and reach out to one of the complainants. And of course, I need to look at the records. I already kind of glanced through it. It already tells me what I need to know.
Okay.
but-
So I'm sorry, sir. What's your name?
Gordon.
All right, Gordon, Brandon. Oh, I've seen you on
Yes, you
Zoom.
have.
See, if you would have came up and just did a box like this, I'd be like, I know you. So do you need an order in order to turn the records over so they can see the GPS?
I mean, we have a subpoena, but I was told by my supervisor that I would need to come in and testify as to what the records were. So if the court would like a copy of the records, I believe we would need a subpoena from us.
All right, no, I mean, do you need me to have an order to have the records turned over?
Yes, I believe I would.
All right. So can somebody just write an order and then you'll have the records?
Okay. Well, wait.
I said Monday.
Okay. I can put an order together, Judge, I guess, to see if that'll work for them to get the records turned over.
Okay, and then I'll sign it and that way we can have the records since he's here. All right.
That's fine, Judge.
And so this is the last of the discovery, correct?
I believe so. We just need to do a little bit more conferring, and I think the state wanted to reach out to one of the complainants to see where they were with them.
So Judge, the complainant had a pending misdemeanor case.
Mhm.
I reached out to his defense attorney. Apparently Lindsay had reached out previously, but then when she left,
Okay.
there was that gap. So now I have good contact information for him, so I'm going to be reaching out.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. On Cuellar, can you recall this in 45 days? That's going to be your plea deadline date.
Okay.
You all will have to confer off docket. If you all come to an agreement before then, Mr. Cuellar, you can always come back earlier.
August 28th.
All right, so we're going to be back on August 28th. And if you all could just print out a B page and write on there, and I'll sign the order.
Okay. That'll work, Judge.
All right. Gordon,
Yes.
is there anything in there that's confidential or something that's classified that would be an
That
issue?
I'm aware of, I mean, it shows his tracks.
Okay, all right. They'll do an order and I'll sign it and make a copy for you so you'll be able to turn the documents over.
Okay.
Okay, they should be able to do
There's
this.
no medical information or anything like that.
Okay, all right, awesome. Thank you so much for coming down.
Yes.
Next time, if we have something like this, if you just want to zoom in
Okay.
and then email me the documents, that way you won't have to come all the way downtown.
Okay.
All right,
Sounds good.
but it's good seeing you outside the box.
You too.
Okay.
Take care.
All right, thank you. Yes. Oh, go ahead and go.
Sorry, Judge, whenever we were talking and you said someone write up the order, I said, not it.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Oh, is he leaving with the paperwork?
I don't think so, and I can go talk.
Yeah, you guys want to go grab the paperwork for him? All right, who's here? Maria Chavez.
Judge, I'm going to be filing a motion to set bond. Apparently she's in jail because her bond's been off for bond last year.
Yes, no, she had a no-show. At least that's what I have in my file.
Oh, so that was my notes as well, November 1st of 22.
Yes. All right, an offer has been tendered. Ms. Ferguson, can I have a jury trial date? How long do you expect this to last?
I'd say probably 2 days.
All right, for 2 days.
And Judge, I'm out at the end of July from the 20th to the 30th. I'll be back.
Okay.
Anytime in August, I'll be available.
All right.
July 20th to 30th.
And Norma Ornulfo Otis also has Martinez Escato.
Works for me.
All right, August 8th. That will be your plea deadline date and your jury trial date. All right, court is calling 2023 CR 2172 State of Texas versus Miss, your first name?
Setare.
Cetere Portillo. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state
Hank Wilkins for the state.
defense?
Robert Porter for Mr. Portillo.
And are you Ms. Portillo?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
I did, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery, showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we would like to waive and abandon count two, Judge. No objection.
All right. Ms. Portillo, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession with intent to deliver a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams? That's a first degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years in life and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, court could find you guilty and sentence you up to life in prison and up to $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Portillo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Extremely satisfied, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived a right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 1. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at a $2,000 fine and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 8 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 200 hours community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged in count 1, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, I submit State's Exhibit 1 in the attachments. No objection.
All right, you may be excused, state. Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Judge, I know that they had a TAP evaluation done, but also we would like to tender to the court. I just don't have it today. All her CPS that she's already completed too. So if the court would want to do a PSI, that'd be fine.
All right.
Or we could go today and I could bring it.
Oh,
back,
I'm
whatever.
prepared to proceed today.
Okay, then.
All right. So counsel, are you waiving PSI?
Yes,
All right. What is the status of CPS?
it is, it's finished and closed, completed. She's going to bring me the documents. I guess she
I was waiting for my closing letter.
has announced it. We're putting all that together to give to the court. So
Okay.
this CPS is done with, she has her kids, she did all the courses that CPS had recommended. And I wanted to address the court on the police board, because I know the situation with the children,
Mhm.
it's written poorly. The drugs were not in the same room as the kids, they were different rooms at that point in time. Having said all that, Judge, it's a situation where you hang around the wrong people, influenced by the wrong person, you find yourself in this situation, that person is no longer part of her life. Like I said, she will be a perfect probation, Your Honor, and I know she will be successful.
So here's a $1 million question. And I'm looking at probation. Probation already knows my question. Oh, no, but you know what the question is going to be. When you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
We clean.
All right, so we're going to do a drug test and then I'll come back and do a sentencing. All right, so they'll drug test her. All right, so you want to now live with your grandfather?
At the time, yes, but I have like,
So now the answer is no.
no, ma'am.
All right, how old are you?
18.
Okay, everyone, you need to whisper, please. We're not going to do this thing in this court where first you're with your grandmother, then when you're with your grandfather, then something else comes up and then you want to move back to your grandfather. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Your grandmother and your grandfather really should not be raising you, but they are. So you can't do this back and forth. I'm not going to allow it. So who are you currently staying with now?
I'm with my grandpa, but just recently, yeah, I got approved for an apartment. And I wanted to move out alone.
Why?
Just to move on to the adulthood and just try to get things going by myself.
All right, so is there an issue with your grandfather?
No, ma'am.
How long has he been on probation?
Your Honor, since June 13th of 2022.
Where is this apartment located?
By Sea Road and Highway 151.
All right, this is what I want. Because you're 18. I want you to write up a plan. If you're going to be living in this apartment, the plan I want you to write up is, one, you need to find out how much your rent is going to be. Do you have furniture? Does the apartment come furnished?
No, ma'am,
Unfurnished?
no, my girlfriend moved in already. But I'm just not there. I don't have your approval. We already have like furniture.
And how old is your girlfriend?
She just turned 19 like a couple weeks ago.
And what is she doing with her life?
Well, I forgot what she's in college for, but she's in college right now she works at a food restaurant called Kava.
And does her parents approve of you moving in with her?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, do they know?
Yes, ma'am.
They know your criminal history.
Yes, ma'am.
So you haven't been letting them meet your publicist.
I don't know what that means.
Oh, so when you start dating someone, if somebody sets you up on a blind date, for want of a better term, what people say is you don't meet crazy. Everybody's on their best behavior. Everybody's perfect. Usually it takes about 6 to 9 months in the relationship where people start slipping, because you can only pretend to be someone else for so long, then the real you comes out. So that's what I mean by, has she really met you and has the family really met you? Or are they still meeting your publicist?
Yes, ma'am. Before I got incarcerated, I was actually talking to her at school. And I was talking to her mom, and then when I got incarcerated, like I told her to tell her mom everything and she was upset about it, but after that.
So have you spoken face to face with her parents, or is it just their daughter who's spoken?
No, I spoken face to face. I met everybody.
Mm-hmm. I don't know if I believe that.
I just met everybody recently, probably like a month ago.
All right. So let me explain something to you. People always say, why is Stephanie Boyd in my business? I'm in your business because you're in court and I want you to be successful. And so far, what you've been presenting to me without your publicist, just you presenting yourself to me. You've been moving back and forth with your grandfather, back and forth with your grandmother. Now you want to move in with your girlfriend. You still need to give the court what your budget is. Give it to probation. So the apartment, I guess, is already furnished because your girlfriend has furnished it.
Yes, both of us. I paid for it and she just decorated.
All right. Well, that's a hard job decorating. That's not easy. All right. So I want you to put together what your budget is. I want to know what the electricity is because I don't want you all to get there and then decide it's too much. A lot of arguments start in relationships over finances because somebody's not pulling their weight. So I want you to sit down. And if you want to sit down with her, you can, and figure out what your budget is. And as soon as you get that together, you can come back to court. And if it's all in proper order, I will allow you to live there. And I'm going to want a letter. And don't do this nonsense where you all are trying to pass off a letter as her parents' letter. I want a letter from her parents saying that they know your history.
Okay.
And they're fine with your living there.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you're dishonest on that part, I'm going to find out about it. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So what's your assignment?
To find out my budgets and to get a letter from her parents. that she's
Yes.
about to live there.
And if you're able to do that soon, the sooner you get that done, the sooner you can come back here before me. And if everything is in proper form, I will allow it. And I hope you all are not thinking about starting to have children. What do you want to tell me? Is she expecting?
I don't know. I know nothing yet.
Oh, my goodness. Well, can figure out the baby in the budget. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So he's going to put together a budget. Once he puts that together, that budget, and let him figure out the budget for a baby because babies are expensive. They're cute though, but they're expensive. So, and let him include a baby in his budget. 18 and 19-year-old. Good luck. All right.
Have a blessed day.
No, let's see. Let him get that budget together because if you're going to be an adult, then you need to know what your budget is. And if you all have a vehicle, you need to include insurance, gas prices, all of that. And if the utilities are not included in that apartment, you need to figure that out and you need to figure out groceries. And go ahead and do an entertainment budget because I know young people are not just going to sit at home. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.